So you just gonna keep on looking at me and not say nothing.
We got London on the track.
What you looking at? What you looking at? Say something, baby.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy here. Today we have this gorgeous lace front wig. It's a bob with some bangs. I'm going to show you how I styled it and got this look. Here's the wig, fresh out of the box. I'm not going to bleach or do anything to this wig, especially since it has bangs, so it'll be easy to style. But here's the hairline, if you can see. So the lace goes ear to ear, which is great. And I'll be right back. I'm just gonna cut off this lace. To install this wig, I'm just gonna use some Got2b spray. It's gonna be a glueless install, especially since we got bangs. We don't have to worry about the hairline, so it'll be super easy. So the bangs are a little long for me, so I'm just gonna cut them just a tad bit. I think like half an inch. So I got my bangs cut the way I want them. I'm just gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna finish styling this hair. So this wig is super cute. It came from African Mall. They sent me 180% density wig. This is 14 inches and I didn't cut it at all, just so you guys can get an idea of the length. Looks really good. Let me show you the back. Now this wig has 13 by 4 parting space. Here's a little part right here. I just put a little bit of foundation in there and it comes a little bit further to the forehead. The bangs were a little bit longer, so I cut them just to fit my face. So you definitely want to do that. You don't want to have them too long, like in your face and all in your eyelashes. I can actually cut it a little bit longer, but I like it kind of covering my eyes. I think it's like a cute look. The hair is really soft. It's like, oh my gosh, it's super soft. And it came really straight. So when I used the flat iron, I just kind of just pressed it. I didn't have to do smaller sections. So it was really easy to straighten because it came like that straight out the box. Now this hair does not tangle at all or shed. I haven't had anything coming out, look, nothing. So this wig is absolute bomb. The quality is A1. Shipping takes a couple of days for you to get it, so you don't have to worry about waiting for your wig, which is really good. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. It's really cute. I like it. And it's a nice, cute, different look, especially to switch it up. I think this is a cute fall look as well. I don't know. I like to switch it up. You know, I always wear different wigs, so I like to try something a little different. I usually have like a straight wig or a body wave. So this cute little bob with the bangs, I think it's working for your girl. So tell me what you think in the description box below. I want to thank African Mall for sending me this hair. Really cute. I love it. I'm definitely going to be wearing this wig. Tell me what you guys think. And again, thank you for your support. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up if you like this video. And hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Bye.